Hi guys, today I will be showing you my top 5 most defected squishies, and I am so sorry for not posting lately. It's just been hard with school and I went on a trip and I haven't had the time to, and then sorry for the background noise. I haven't had time to post, and I haven't had time to order any squishies, but there is squishies coming on the way, so let's just get on with the video. And so my first most defected squishy is this jumbo panda bun. You can see by the eyes, and it's very defected. And then here, and then also right in the middle, and then also right here. Sorry for the lighting, it's not very good. And then all on the back, if you can see that. And then my dog chewed this part. It's pretty fast rising. I'm sorry if I hold the squishy too close or too far, because it is hard because I have to reach my arms so far. And my second squishy is this jumbo croissant. It's not from Punimaru. You can see the crack. Well, you might not be able to see the cracks. And then over here. Right here. It's very slow rising. And then on the back, it's in pretty good shape. There's a few cracks. And then my second squishy is this mini turtle in the neck. And then on here, over here, and then right here, and then under his neck, and then maybe right there. And then my third squishy. Wait, oh my god, why did I say that? My fourth squishy is this panda bun, as you can see right there, right there, right there, and right there. It's pretty slow rising, and in the back it's just kind of dirty. And then my last squishy is this pink turtle on her neck, and then on the side. And she's not that defected as the other ones. I just did it from number 1, the most defected, down to the least defected. And so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So bye.